See, back in 2020, being a developer felt like being Tony Stark. You were building tech, automating lives, drinking coffee with one hand and pushing code with the other. Everyone thought you were a genius. Fast forward to 2025, and suddenly half your LinkedIn network is posting, "Today I got laid off, but I'm staying positive," every week. Yep, tech layoffs are real. And no, it's not just one or two companies. Over 100,000 tech jobs were cut this year alone. Big tech is treating employees like Thanos treated half the universe, snapping fingers, and boom, roles gone. Especially entry-level ones. Internships? What internships? You're lucky if they let you shadow the janitor. But don't panic just yet, Peter Parker. This isn't the end. It's just a sequel. AI is now your new coding buddy, except it never sleeps, never gets burnout, and doesn't ask for a raise. GitHub is literally calling it vibe coding. Like, yeah, just vibe and generate a React app, bro. Sounds chill until you realize the vibe might hallucinate and delete your database in production. So what's actually happening? AI isn't replacing developers, it's replacing the easy stuff. If your daily job is writing for loops and centering divs, I have bad news. AI's got that covered, and it doesn't even complain about CSS. But the companies, they're now looking for devs who can collaborate with AI. Like Doctor Strange using magic, but now you're using prompts. Think of it as upgrading from Spider-Man in Homecoming to Spider-Man in Endgame. Still a junior, but powered up. The good news is, senior engineers, AI experts, cloud specialists, cybersecurity folks, they're in demand more than ever. If you're the kind of dev who understands architecture, complex systems, and how to not let AI crash your servers, you're golden. But if you're still hoping to slide in with just HTML and vibes, nah fam, that era's over. By 2027, the dev world won't be dead, but it'll be unrecognizable.